Hello guys, welcome to Solving Solutions, your number one channel where I get solutions to all your solving problems. It's 9th Avenue class again today. How have you been? On today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to split a line into equal segments. So let's say you have a road or maybe a water body, and then you want to divide it into equal segments so that you can manage the survey easily, or maybe you can study the channel easily, right? Good. So we have a line that we can use to represent a road, right? Good. So let's open the attribute table of this line, and then we can decide to, okay, not really, we can decide to open the field calculator and then create a new field and then call it the length, right? Good. So we have, and then it should be decimal to 3 decimal places, and then we can now search for the function that will help us calculate the length of that line. So we have good. So we have $sign length, right? Good. So it has given us the preview, right? Good, of the length of this particular line. So we can just click on OK. You can see it has been added. So the reason why we decided to introduce this length field is for us to have an idea of what the length is. So we're having about 144,094.478 meters, right? Good. So if we want to divide this line into equal segments, and then we say each of the lines should be about 50,000. Yeah, 50,000 is about how many kilometers? That's about 50 kilometer each, right? Good. So if we say we want to divide this line to about 50 kilometer each segment, so how do we go about it? We come down here to the processing toolbox, and then we search for, okay, split lines by maximum length, right? Good. So it's actually under vector geometry we have split lines by maximum length. So what does it do? This algorithm takes a line or curve layer and splits each feature into multiple parts, where each part is of a specified maximum length, right? Good. So we have our input layer to be the line, and then we are saying we need about 50 kilometers, right? Good. So we have a unit, or we have the unit options where we can select. So let's use kilometer. So another thing to note is that it will always be better to use a projected CRS for your layer, so that the units can actually match better, right? Good. So we have about 50 kilometers. So we will not save to a file, we just leave it as a scratch layer, and then we run. So we have our split somewhere here. Let's now open the attribute table. So if we decide to zoom to each of the segments, we are going to see that we have a zoom map to the selected row, right? Good. So let's make it interactive this way. So this is the first segment, right? Good. If we select the second one and then we zoom to it, it's somewhere there. And then if we select the third one, we can also see that it is somewhere around there, right? Good. Now the reason why we are having it up to 3 is because 50 does not divide the total length into 2 complete halves, right? Good. So it is the remnant that good, it is a remnant that has actually created that third segment, right? Good. So that's why we are having it there. So basically we have shown you using QGIS and then this tool of splitting lines by maximum length on how to split maybe your line feature into equal maximum lengths for better management, right? Good. So in our case, our length was about 144 kilometers, right? Good. So we now divided the 144 kilometers into 50 kilometer segments, and then we add something like this, right? Good. So thanks for coming to class. Okay, the third line, the third segment is still selected. We can decide to deselect all. Thanks for coming to class. We believe we have shown you using QGIS how to split lines by maximum length, right? Good. So we are going to see you on the next tutorial. Ensure you keep staying safe and have a very good time. Bye.